The market had a recent collapse. However, now it seems that the situation has entirely reversed. The Shiba Inu is gradually recuperating. Approximately 6.51 trillion Shiba Inu is being transferred. Analysts are dropping their signals. The whole society is consolidating its efforts. Approximately 4.6 million disappeared within 24 hours. However, a significant event is imminent. Donald Trump intervened and halted the decline. A new financial initiative has been introduced. What is occurring? How will all of this be coherent? What am I discussing? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Yesterday seemed to be a favorable day for Shiba Inu, particularly after the significant decline seen yesterday. The price has begun its recovery. It is undoubtedly a relief for all observers. We are seeing a robust rebound, indicating a favorable outlook for the future. A Twitter expert accurately captured the sentiment by stating that another Shiba Inu downturn is almost over. It is now time to attain new heights. It succinctly encapsulates the current situation. Following the decline, Shiba Inu is poised for another upward movement. It seems we are seeing a new beginning. If this trend continues, we may anticipate some exhilarating days ahead. However, the key point is as follows. It's not simply the price rise that's drawing notice. The figures are somewhat extraordinary as well. Analysts indicate that Shiba Inu inflows have significantly increased. In the last 48 hours, Shiba Inu has increased by 2%. Herein lies the intrigue. Inflows from large holders have surged by an astonishing 553%. This indicates that substantial capital is being directed into major whale addresses, where significant holders retain their assets. Data from Into the Block indicates that Shiba Inu had a significant increase in inflows, rising from 1.27 trillion Shiba Inu to 6.51 trillion. This surge in whale activity indicates that significant investors are acquiring Shiba Inu, perhaps anticipating that the decline presents a favorable buying opportunity before a resurgence occurs. The latest sell-off in the cryptocurrency market has impacted meme currencies such as Shiba Inu. This abrupt interest from whales may indicate that they are strategizing for the next rise. With increased whale activity and a price recovery, Shiba Inu may see a noteworthy few days ahead. You may be questioning what is really occurring in this situation. What is the cause of these occurrences? What precipitated this abrupt resurgence for Shiba Inu? Upon reflection, the broader context begins to clarify. It seems that Bitcoin is exhibiting a similar behavior as well. Bitcoin has had a robust recovery, ascending once again towards the 84,000 threshold. This followed a significant decline in its price, instigated by Trump's proposal of tariffs, which generated much anxiety and uncertainty among traders. The apprehension resulted in a significant sell-off, causing the market to see a substantial decline. However, it seems that the downward pressure is subsiding and conditions are beginning to stabilize. As Shiba Inu and Bitcoin begin to rebound, the market seems to be dispelling fear and regaining stability. What are the primary factors propelling this recovery? It seems that not only has the market meltdown ceased, but there is also good news about tariffs. It was reported today that Trump's tariffs had been suspended, at least temporarily. A Twitter expert articulated today that the scenario between Mexico and Canada seems much more favorable. Following a constructive discussion with Trump, the president said that Mexico would deploy 10,000 National Guard personnel to the border to combat issues. The tariffs have been suspended for 1 month. This indicates advancement towards a prospective agreement, which is a favorable indicator. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau spoke with Canada about the United States. Tariffs are postponed for 30 days subsequent to a productive discussion with Trump. These developments are undoubtedly alleviating market anxieties and may contribute to the recovery of Shiba Inu and Bitcoin. Furthermore, it is not the whole of the matter. Trump has mandated the establishment of a sovereign wealth fund that may ultimately include cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. This action is significant for the cryptocurrency market. Following Trump's issuance of an executive order to initiate its establishment, Bitcoin's value swiftly recovered, surpassing the $84,000 threshold. A White House news statement indicates that Trump has directed the Treasury and Commerce ministries to establish a strategy for the fund within 90 days. The Secretary of Commerce, the Secretary of Treasury, and other key government officials will formulate this strategy, which will concentrate on delineating the economic advantages, investment methods, and governance framework of the fund. The objective is to enhance the United States' economic competitiveness over the long term while ensuring budgetary sustainability. The fund may alleviate the tax burden on inhabitants, enhance the United States' worldwide standing, and bolster the country's economic security. What is the significance of this for Shiba Inu? The potential inclusion of cryptocurrencies by this sovereign wealth fund indicates a forthcoming widespread acceptance of digital currencies. Given Shiba Inu's increasing usefulness and commercial reputation, there exists a tangible prospect of its inclusion in such a fund in the future. As Shiba Inu solidifies its position, it may become relevant, particularly as an increasing number of institutional investors and major entities want to engage with cryptocurrency. This warrants close observation, since it may significantly influence Shiba Inu's future. A contributing aspect to this comeback is the sustained initiative by the Shiba Inu Society, particularly around coin burning. Recently, there has been a significant increase in the quantity of Shiba Inu being incinerated. Indeed, during the last 24 hours, the community has made significant progress in diminishing the circulating supply. A recent tweet indicated that over 4.6 million Shiba Inu were transferred to unspendable wallets, representing a significant increase in the burn rate, exceeding 5 times its previous level. This sort of burn activity is noteworthy since it diminishes the overall supply of Shiba Inu, hence enhancing rarity and perhaps elevating its value over time. It is now quite comprehensible why Shiba Inu is beginning to recuperate. The observed fall was really a transient setback, integral to the market's inherent fluctuations. Such fluctuations are quite typical in the realm of cryptocurrency. The markets may exhibit unpredictability at times. Nevertheless, the current situation reflects a stabilization as they seek equilibrium once again. The rebound is robust, indicating that despite fluctuations, Shiba Inu has significant strength and drive. At this juncture, the situation becomes very intriguing. An expert has proposed that the current fall may not have been totally organic. They conjectured that it may have been a kind of market manipulation intended to cause fear and panic, so enabling larger entities to better position themselves for subsequent actions. This expert suggests that the objective may have been to unsettle the market, instill fear among participants, and then pave the way for significant positive news to emerge. He said that he anticipates significant positive cryptocurrency news may emerge this week, and that the current market decline is a strategic precursor to it. This is a compelling notion, and should a significant event occur in the next days, we may see a substantial upward movement in the market. Currently, it is evident that these recent declines do not signify the conclusion for Shiba Inu. Numerous experts assert that this may be an excellent purchasing opportunity. The long-term picture remains favorable for Shiba Inu holders. An expert presented a compelling forecast on the potential price if Shiba Inu's market capitalization reaches a certain threshold. Crypto Basic posits that if Shiba Inu attains a market capitalization of $150 billion, its price might climb considerably. Currently, Shiba Inu is trading somewhat lower than it was last week and last month. However, if the market capitalization increases by over 1,500%, Shiba Inu might see a significant price surge, perhaps a quarter of a cent, which would be substantial. The prediction presumes that the circulation supply remains constant at around 589 trillion coins. From a larger viewpoint, notwithstanding recent volatility, the possibility for a substantial increase in Shiba Inu's value remains viable. This kind of increase would be significant for long-term Shiba Inu holders, correlating with the robust rebound now seen. Should Shiba Inu sustain its utilities expansion and attract further investors, this forecast may ultimately materialize. As Lucy, a prominent member of the Shiba Inu army, said in her tweet, "We must always maintain our focus on our objectives and not allow negativity to affect us." She said it flawlessly. Disregard distractions and concentrate on your objectives. During periods of market volatility, it is simple to get ensnared in the ensuing turmoil and apprehension. However, adhering to the long-term goal is of paramount importance. Currently, although experiencing fluctuations, Shiba Inu is undergoing a recovery, and the community continues to advance. If all stakeholders maintain a focus on the overarching vision and long-term potential, Shiba Inu may continue to expand and achieve new milestones. As Lucy astutely said, it is essential to eliminate distractions and maintain focus on future objectives. Considering the Shiba Inu community and its objectives, much potential still ahead. What is your perspective on this matter? Please leave a comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.